Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a simple little project that will detect an entry of a rude word. So first of all, I've used the term read key. Now if you don't already have this on board, you're going to have to install it through cpan. So you need this here, term read key. Then I've created an array called swear words and I've put one or two swear words in there. Now I've created a username called Willie. So we've got a login here, so we use the print command here to tell the user to enter their username, use chomp to chomp the line there, and then we use a variable called user and assign it to standard input to grab the input from the user, what the user types in. Then I've come on to the conditional, and the conditional is if I'm using grep, which is going to search, and I'm using this character here, which is going to iterate through the array, and if this character is equal to the username in the array, we're going to print a message, welcome back, and we're going to interpolate the username into the string. So it'll say welcome back and the username. Then what we're going to do is we're going to create enter password here, which will take us down into this subroutine. Or else, if that's not the case, if somebody has typed in the wrong username, we're going to print error wrong username. Okay, once we're into the enter password, I've created a variable here called scalar password and assigned it to admin123, which is the password. Then I've used the print command to tell the user to enter the password. Then I've used read mode, which is no echo, so when the user enters the password you won't see it, because no echo here means no print. Then I've used chomp again and my scalar pass and assigned it to standard input to get the input from the user, the password that the user has already typed in. Now I'm going to use read mode and I'm going to switch back into normal now so we can see any text typed. Now I've come down onto the conditional if with the scalar pass. So if the scalar pass is equal to the password, so if what the user typed in is equal to the password that I've set up here, we're going to print out a message to the user telling the user password is correct. And then we're going to jump into the subroutine called leave comment. Or else here, if they typed in the wrong password, we're going to print to the user, try again, and we're going to type in enter password here, which will take us back to the login box. Not the login box, sorry, the enter password box. Okay, we've come down onto leave comment here. So we're going to print out a little message to the user that says leave comment. Then we're going to create a scalar variable called comment and assign it to standard input to get the input from the user. Again, we're using the conditional, we're using grep to search. So grep is going to search this array up here for swear words. So we're going to use the iterator here. So if the iterator is equal to the comment, what somebody typed in there, and that's in swear words, that's in the swear words array, we're going to print rude word detected. Or else, if no rude word is detected, we're going to print comment is okay. And of course, we're going to run the program by typing in login here, which will take us right to here. So let's open it up. Let's enter the username, which is Willie with a capital W there. Willie. Welcome back, Willie. Enter password admin123. You can see it doesn't show up there because we use the no echo command. Hit enter, and there we go. Leave comment, and I'm just going to say puff. Rude word detected. Okay, let's just try it again. Let's just enter the username, Willie, enter password, admin123. Okay, leave a comment. Hello. Comment is okay. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below. And I will catch you guys in another video. Bye-bye.